I know this sounds really weird, but if you take a spoonful of oil in your mouth, gargle with it, you'll have stronger gums, stronger teeth, and eventually better gut health. Hi, this is Amrit. I'm discussing basics Ayurveda for everyone, and today in episode 4 of Dinacharya, I'm talking about benefits of oil pulling. क्या है ये oil pulling? Literally taking a spoonful of oil in your mouth and just swishing it around, उससे ऐसे कुल्ला करना है और उससे you are going to pull out all the extra toxins, extra mucus, extra ama, whatever is extra is just gonna pull it out and so you can chuck it out. So it's a very interesting practice. It is something that I learned 4 years back and I was doing on and off, but during this last lockdown, I did a whole video on it. So I started doing this regularly. So literally I have lots of like health benefits that I can share about it. So number one health benefit that you see with oil pulling is oral cavity getting much healthier. So you will have very clean oral cavity. So no bacterial buildup and all. So you will have stronger gums. You will have much stronger teeth. From the roots they will get stronger. You'll also ensure that because it's kind of pulling out all that extra bacterial growth, so there would be no bad breath. मतलब काफी अच्छा लगेगा आपके पार्टनर को if there is no bad breath, right? So bad breath, tongue scraping and this both takes care of your bad breath, so it's pretty interesting. Also we know that अभी हम लोग whatever we are in our 30s 40s and but eventually we are going to बूढ़े होंगे और दांत गिर जाते हैं, नकली दांत लगाने पड़ते हैं, काफी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. सो अगर अभी से हमने ध्यान देना शुरू किया, ये छोटी छोटी प्रैक्टिसेस अगर इंक्लूड कर ली, वी विल हैव अ वेरी सुखी बुढ़ापा. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा बुढ़ापा चाहिए, मतलब ताकि लाइफ है सॉर्टेड रहे उस टाइम पे. सो यू नो, यू रिमेंबर दैट टू एड इट्स लाइक सो विजुअली आई रिमेंबर दिस. वो अंकल अखरोट ऐसे दांत से तोड़ते हैं, लाइक इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग टीथ है उनके. गोल्स ब्रो, मुझे ऐसे ही दांत चाहिए. बट हमें अखरोट तोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट ऑल दिस प्रैक्टिस से काफी अच्छे दांत होंगे. अच्छा हाँ, वो जो लोग ओपनर नहीं होता और बॉटल्स भी ऐसे खोलते हैं, प्लीज डोंट डू दिस टू योर टीथ, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट मेड फॉर दैट, है ना. तो डोंट डू दिस. मैं खुद कभी कभार करती हूँ दो, बट प्लीज डोंट डू दिस. ओके, नाउ also another health benefit of this is that your taste buds will get much more refined. You know that your tongue has a lot of taste buds, and because you're ensuring your tongue is getting cleaner, so your taste buds will get better. That means you also will ensure that, again, mindless cravings of certain tastes, that is also going to go away because you will have much more refined taste, right? Another thing is the voice gets much nicer and more strengthened, more deepened, and especially for people who talk a lot. Hi, Amrita. And people who are like teachers and singers or people who do a lot of Zoom calls, you know. So you just make sure that you're doing this practice because it also ensure that vocal cords get little worked, and it lubricates your entire this oral cavity. So it ensures your voice will be better and वो बार-बार जो गला बैठ जाता है वो issue नहीं होगा, right? Another very good health benefit with this is that you will not have chapped lips. काफी अच्छी चीज है बिकॉज फिर लिपस्टिक अच्छी लगती है, फिर जो भी लगाओ. अगर ड्राई लिप्स होते हैं तो वरना, और मैट वाली तो और ड्राई कर देती है. बट इफ यू हैव better plump moisturized like good lips, it's just going to be really good, right? People who smoke a lot, तो उनके भी lips काफी dry हो जाते हैं, blackish होने लगते हैं. So this practice will also help them, by the way. So but dry lips के लिए you have to still ensure that you are drinking enough water, okay? क्योंकि hydration नहीं है बॉडी में, उसी का ही साइन है कि ड्राई लिप्स हो रहे हैं. सो प्लीज एंश्योर दैट यू आर आल्सो ड्रिंकिंग इनफ वाटर, एंड ऑयल पुलिंग प्रैक्टिस विल आल्सो एंश्योर बेटर लिप्स, राइट? अगेन, प्लाक रिमूवल, जो हमारे टीथ में जो व्हाइट सा बन जाता है ब्रश करने के बाद भी कॉर्नर से नहीं निकलता है, विच इज व्हाई पीपल फ्लॉस, राइट? फ्लॉस इज लाइक अ लिटिल थ्रेड बिटवीन द टीथ. you would go and try to remove that. But again, it is something that Ayurveda doesn't advocate. Ayurveda doesn't believe in actually किसी भी चीज में उंगली मत करो. मतलब यहाँ पे टूथपिक वगैरह मत डालो, ईयरबड्स मत डालो. मतलब बॉडी हैज अ नेचुरल वे टू क्लेंस एंड these practices will ensure all of those. So you don't have to do it floss, and also this will take care of your plaque removal really well as well. And teeth sensitivity जिनको issues रहते हैं, this will completely take care of that as well. तो हमें सेंसिटिव टूथपेस्ट अलग से नहीं खरीदने पड़ेंगे, तो लाइफ सॉर्टेड होगी. टुमारोज दिनचर्या एपिसोड में आई विल टॉक मच मोर अबाउट क्लीनिंग टीथ, क्या क्या किया जाता है, कैसा टूथपेस्ट होना चाहिए, दातुन और कौन से मंजन, इन सब के बारे में आई विल टॉक टुमारो. मेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक है इस चीज को लेकर बिकॉज आई हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ DIYs फॉर better teeth health, so I'll talk about that tomorrow. But yeah, these are all the mostly health benefits of it. But let's talk about how do you do this exactly. So literally you take a spoonful of oil, you put it in your mouth. Now there are two practices in Ayurveda. So one is Gandush and one is Kavala. So Gandush is basically where you take the oil or whatever fluids, Ayurveda mein aur bhi cheezon ka mention hai, you take that and you put it in your mouth. So you'll take a lot more and you're just holding it. Are you just holding it? So it's doing its own work. And once then there will come a time when you can't hold it enough, then you will have to just chuck it out. But then the other practice called Kavala, which is when you're swishing it around, you know, all of that. So that ensures कि इधर उधर से जा जाके और facial muscles भी exercise हो जाते हैं. तो another health benefit बन जाता है उसका कि jaw line थोड़ी सी define होने लग जाती है. Personal experience से बता रही हूँ. I was like last few years when I had gained a lot of weight. I was underweight till 22 though, but when this had happened, and especially I would gain weight right here. So when I started doing this, I started seeing like, oh bro, ये तो jawline तो बहुत दिनों बाद, बहुत सालों बाद दिख रहा है, ऐसे कैसे हुआ? So I think oil pulling also helped with this practice, right? And of course I learned some more like facial techniques of washing my face right and all, which also I will talk about in eventually coming days. But oil pulling का ये भी फायदा हो जाता है. Now it's so technically what we're doing is Kavala and not Gandusha because we're swishing it around. So हमें क्या करना है, क्या चीज लेनी है? तो ideally I will say sesame oil is best for us. तिल का तेल, and especially cold press या कच्ची घानी वाला oil, it is the best oil to use. मतलब sesame oil को तो भगवान का दर्जा दिया हुआ है. Cooking किससे करें? Sesame oil से. अभ्यंग किससे करें? Sesame oil से. और oil pulling, sesame oil. So it's pretty cool that way that you can get one oil and be like happily live ever after, right? But there are also other fluids that I mentioned that people do this way. So different doshas के लिए different herbs का भी addition होता है. But specifically people who have, like as I said, indigestion issue, people who already feel lot sticky slimy saliva क्योंकि toxins ज़्यादा build up हो रहे हैं, कफा बढ़ रहा है body में, lot more white coating, then you don't want to add oil more. So what you can then use is you can just use plain warm water as well. If not that, then warm water with little bit of Triphala. Because Triphala, I've spoken about, it is actually good for your digestive system because it helps in clearing the bowels. Amalaki, Vipitiki, Haritiki, 3 herbs का mix करके ये बनता है Triphala powder. So you can just mix that in your water and then swish it around. So what it does is it removes all that extra toxins and extra oiliness and sliminess, and your mouth will feel drier and much more cleansed. So you can totally do it with Triphala warm water as well if you're feeling that. Then this is a दादी माँ का नुस्खा that I've been doing बचपन से, and I didn't know कि आयुर्वेदा में उसकी ये roots है. But every time I used to get ulcers, and I used to get a lot of ulcers, जो छाले हो जाते हैं, पेट साफ नहीं होता तो मुंह में छाले होते हैं. तो जो छाले ulcers है, so I used to take spoonful of milk, and especially मैंने कच्चे दूध के बारे में पढ़ा था, raw milk. So I used to take raw milk and I used to swish it around, and I used to then literally see how it used to help me with my ulcers. So I used to get ulcers a lot because, well, I told you a lot of chips. I used to eat a lot of salt, and plus old monk प्यार, तो उससे काफी ही हो जाता था. But this used to really help me. So you could also swish it with your milk if you have facing ulcers related issues. Coconut milk also used to help with that case, and coconut ऐसे ही चबा चबा के धीरे धीरे रस उसका लेकर coconut milk जो बन जाता है, that also used to help with this. Other than that, there are other fluids like dhanya amla, which is like a fermented grain liquid. There are different oils with different infusions that you get. Plus there is also this very interesting thing called tilak alka water, which is basically roasted sesame, roasted til again, और उसका एक paste बनाया जाता है, mix it with water, so it's basically like a tahini without extra oil, and that they use for gandush or kaval as well. So I'm assuming that it is because it's sesame, it's going to also be very beneficial for vata dosha people. So these are the things that you could use for that. Now I know what is that one question that you want to ask कि ब्रो कब करें, ब्रश के पहले करें, ब्रश के बाद करें, पानी पहले पिए या टंग क्लीनिंग पहले करें? व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस दैट वी मस्ट फॉलो? सो हियर इज द थिंग, sequence whatever you want to follow, please do like whatever feels right to you. When I studied about dinacharya, the sequence that I got was first wake up in Brahma Muhurat, second eliminate your waste, third tongue cleaning, and then comes the cleaning brushing your teeth, and then oil pulling, and then there are more. So what I started because I also wanted to make sure that I'm drinking warm water. So what I started doing was I would clean my tongue first. The first thing when I get up, first thing I do is I go and pee. I know, sorry, TMI, but I go and pee, and then first thing I do is clean my tongue. and then I would sit down, drink my water, maybe I do journaling or little meditation, intention setting, whatever, and then I would eventually, I by that time pani pee liya hai, pressure ban gaya hai, I would take a little walk around or play with Juju. So pressure ban gaya, then I'll go clear my bowels, and then I will sit down and brush my teeth and do oil pulling, whatever, and then go ahead with my breakfast and all. So this is what sequence works for me, but you do you, whatever feels right to you. Don't get very caught up in what is first what. Just start trying it out and see how you feel about it, right? So just go ahead and do this, because at least practice शुरू तो करें, क्योंकि इतनी अच्छी practice है तो काफ़ी हमें फ़ायदेमंद करेगी. हमें पता है कि हमारी ये जो oral cavity, जो tongue है, it's again mirror of internal organs. When you're doing this, it is literally like a abhyanga for internal organs, kidney, lungs, liver, जिनको हम जाके मसाज भी कर सकते हैं. ये practice उनको इंटरनली मसाज कर रही है, स्टिमुलेट कर रही है. और हमारे क्योंकि टंग गट हेल्थ से सबसे ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड है, डाइजेशन से आमा निकल रहा है, टॉक्सिन्स निकल रहा है. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू इंश्योर यू विल हैव ग्रेट डाइजेशन. अल्टीमेटली आयुर्वेदा का सिर्फ एक ही पर्पज है लाइफ में, दैट प्लीज डाइजेस्ट वट एवर यू ईट. Actually, Ayurveda का नहीं, हमारा purpose है. Ayurveda is just giving us the guidance for this. So yeah, that's all about oil pulling. I hope this was helpful. And I'm going to discuss tomorrow another practice in Dinacharya, which will again help you with the oral health. What kind of toothpaste, what kind of datun, manjan, whatever you use, we'll talk about that tomorrow. Please let me know in the comments how you're liking this series. Please let me know, have you ever tried oil pulling? Has it benefited you in any way? Do share with me. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me with this whole Dinacharya crazy, like the series that I am doing. Thank you.